Hi, everyone. Uh, Another creative way to use 3D models from the Smithsonian digitization program is the use of Padlet. With this tool, we can always create gallery walks or discussion boards. So I'm going to show you how to do that. The first thing we got to do is to go into 3d.si.edu, the Smithsonian 3D website, and then click on collections. And as you see, there are different options here, different collections that you can explore and use for your tasks or assignments or classroom activities. So today I'm going to be using the Apollo 11 mission 3D models. So I'm going to click on that. And then I'm going to go into my Padlet where I can start creating the gallery walk or the discussion board. Padlet does not allow embedding, but we can always find a way to link our postings with the 3D models and allow our students to explore them and talk about them. So the first thing, I'm going to get myself out of the way. So as you know, we got to click here to add another posting into our wall. Here I have to select the option for link, and then I'm going to paste here the link that I'm going to get out of one of the models. So I have already uploaded this space shoot. I have already uploaded the module, and now I'm gonna upload the interior view of the command module. Okay, so what I need to do is to click on this icon here for sharing, and I don't need to copy the whole HTML code this time. All I need is to copy is the link that is part of this code. Okay, so only that part. So I'm gonna copy that, and then I'm gonna go back to my Padlet, and I'm gonna paste that link here, and then I'm gonna click on this little arrow here, and it's gonna start uploading. In the meantime, I can always copy the title or just type the one you think is more convenient. And when it's already uploaded, we can just go ahead and publish it. Okay, as you know, in Padlet, you can move around your postings and put them in the order that you need in order to have your students talking about the models or just having them look at the models and then have a discussion. I hope this video was helpful. Thanks for watching.